Well, hello and welcome to Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. I think it's time to take a picnic this weekend, so I wanted to try something new. Now, I love coleslaw, but I just heard of something else that's just as simple that you can make that's called BBQ Coleslaw. It mainly uses barbecue sauce and just a touch of mayonnaise. Let's try it. In a bowl, I need a half cup of barbecue sauce, tablespoon of honey mustard, tablespoon of mayonnaise, tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Combine together. Mix in a bag of coleslaw mix. Barbecue coleslaw. Have a tiny sample. Very smoky. And definitely different than the average coleslaw. It's fun trying something new. And guess what? You can too. What do polar bears eat at a picnic? Icebergers.